Okay, welcome back. Here is the bottom of that log loader, and the videos say that this plunger should go into this solenoid just real easy, and you can see that it does. It moves very freely. That's not the issue, okay? The issue is it's going in too far. So here's the easy remedy. Electrical tape. This is plastic, okay? 3/4 of an inch wide, so you know how wide it is. I go right here to this first, the largest section there, right there. Let's see if I can get it close. Alrighty, comes around. Okay, and I'm just going to wrap it around. Now the reason I'm doing this is to limit the amount of space, the amount of this little piston that will go into the solenoid. I have not done a good job on this, and I apologize. What did I do? There we go. Alright, there it is. So now it's going to stop it there. Okay? Let's see what we've got. Oh, also notice, can we see this? Sure we can. So here's the base with the patent number, nicely printed, I might add. And here is the date, June of 1950. Alrighty. Mr. Log. Oops. Same short log as before, haven't updated that one. Alright, now, time to connect some wires here. A little music to fill in the space, the dead space. Okay, so there we are. Got the power on. Now let's see what happens. Oh, that's different, isn't it? Again, listen to this. Isn't that nice and quiet? Yours can be nice and quiet too. A little bit of electrical tape applied at the end of that piston so it doesn't go all the way into the solenoid. Isn't that amazing? And ta-da! Hope you can use it. Hope you like it. Hell of a lot of fun. Tell your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.